Welcome to Beyond the Harvest. I'm Chef Yiannis, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to use seaweed. Now, seaweed is a very good product. It actually is very good for thyroid problems and it gives you a lot of vitamins and minerals. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to show you how to make a nice delicious seaweed pasta. First of all, I have here a bowl with boiled pasta. Now you can use any type of pasta. You can use macaroni, you can use the spirals, you can use the spinach spiral, you can be creative. So I boiled it, and once it gets a little bit of tender, I drain it, I put cold water in it, and then I throw some extra virgin olive oil and some sea salt in it. Now I'm going to add all my rest of my ingredients. I want to make it really colorful, so I'm going to add some of my orange peppers. I'm going to add some onion. Usually I use about, for this amount of pasta, I'll use about 2 medium-sized peppers, a half onion. I'm going to use my yellow peppers. I'm going to use my red. It's already looking very colorful. Then what I want to do is I want to get about quarter of a cup of scallions and about 2 or 3 of cloves of fresh garlic, and I grate the garlic and I put it in here also. Then of course I want to put some of my parsley. Parsley is very good, especially for people that have problems with stones, kidney stones, stuff like that. The parsley is an excellent thing to use. And then finally I'm gonna use my seaweed. This is roasted seaweed. You can see how it breaks apart. And I just want to put it in here. Now before I stir everything together, I want to use about quarter cup to half cup of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, and then I want to add quarter of a cup of nutritional yeast flakes. Then 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Now remember, the pasta has already salt, so you don't want to make it too salty. Then I want to add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and this is just a 50,000 HU. Cayenne pepper is not very strong, well, at least not for some people. Then we want to do some 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then we want to add some lemon juice. Now this one is the juice of 4 lemons. I am only gonna use half of that. Now we can just mix everything together. You want to mix them very well together. Look how nice and colorful it looks. This is very healthy. You have your raw, and you get your vitamins, your minerals. Again, the seaweed is really good for thyroid problems, and it's a very healthy meal. You can serve this as a meal by itself, or you can serve it as an appetizer. If you invite your friends for dinner, for a special dinner, and they like the fishy flavor, you can actually use this in substitute of using, real fish. You just mix it. Look how nice it looks. So once you mix it really good, then you want to put it in a plate and serve it. So I'm just gonna put it here in this plate. Just make it look really nice. Now in another video we'll show you how to make the Greek garlic sauce. You can look at our even through our website, but we made the video with the Greek garlic sauce, and what you can do is you can serve this like this, or you can put white garlic sauce all over the top of it, and you can serve it that way. Now I'm going to show you something else that you can do really quickly. These are meals that we make that they are fast meals, and they taste good, and they don't take too long to make. You want to take seaweed that is not roasted. You put it like that. Then in another video we show you how to make the raw spaghetti, which we use zucchini. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take this zucchini and we're gonna put it here. And then what you can do is you can actually wrap this. You can wrap it like this and you can have like a raw vegetarian sushi. You can wrap it like this and then you can pour a little bit of lemon juice. Now if you want to be creative, you can put in the zucchini. If you want to be creative, you can put in the zucchini, you can mix it up with, you know, different color of peppers and some parsley, and you can do the same thing and you can just wrap it and you can have your own raw but vegetarian sushi. Once again, we want to thank you for watching Beyond the Harvest Health Foods, and always remember that in this kitchen, I am still the chef.
Γιάννη!
My wife is back. See you next video.